Why is mine all the way at the end of the hall? Okay. Oh my god. Wait, one more time. Oh, the surveillance camera. Shit. Goodbye. So after my shower, I just got a text saying that my my breakfast is out on the table. So I'm just gonna go grab it. I think I'm gonna want to wear a face mask every time I go out. So it's gonna be my first meal. Okay, this is my breakfast. I've never had this kind of breakfast. There's lobster, shrimp, clams, and vermicelli noodles at the bottom, and scallop, fruit, and soup. Oh, I get it now. It's like 米粉汤, but they just made it really like luxurious. Definitely not your 路边摊米粉汤. So to give a little quick room tour, you walk in from the door and there is the bathroom, sink, there's a tub in the shower, toilet, and my favorite part is that in the bathroom there's a door to the closet from here. So this is the wardrobe, and then from the other end here you can access the same wardrobe. And they provided extra toilet paper, napkins, towels, and they gave us slippers. And the bed is pretty big. I think it's a king-size bed. TV, I put my luggages under there. And desk, chair, 2 lounge chairs. And the view is not bad. You can see the sky. I just don't like this construction building in the middle of my view, but you can see the highway. And there's more buildings and mountains. The door comes in, and at the table they provided this water heater, some snacks, drinks, some coffee and tea. And I got this PCR test at the airport I have to do on the 25th. Provided garbage bags and cleaning stuff, some face masks. You have to put the trash in the blue bags, and then if you want to change new towels, you have to put them in the white bag. There's a mini fridge and a box of water. The water and the snacks, the drinks are refillable for free. And yeah. In the bathroom, towels and a bucket for, I think there's dish soap. Oh, laundry detergent. And then there's soap, shampoo, body wash, and these are my stuff. There's a hair dryer. Okay. This is my quarantine bag from the government. This is my lunch. For everything with the alcohol. This is alcohol. For lunch, I ordered a 菲力牛排冻饭, Philly steak rice. Oh my god, look at this packaging. This takeout box is so cool. Wow. Ooh. So every morning, as you might not know, I am very iron deficient, so I take my iron supplement every morning. Every morning and night, I have to take my temperature and record it. So you just press it and then under your tongue. So I'm 36.7. I just write 36.7. And I'm good. You can see behind me, I'm facing construction. I can see other buildings, but this one's like right in the middle. My aunt, who's in construction, she's like, you can check out you can watch their progress for the next 14 days and see how efficient this construction crew is. So I have some unfinished tasks. I've been designing a website. Just gonna finish it up while I'm in quarantine. Just gotta add some more products to the page, the e-commerce page, and I should be good. So today's lunch is, I decided to go healthy today, so I got a club sandwich and a salad. Just kidding, not healthy, because I ordered a bubble tea for lunch. Oh shit. That's like really good. Mmm. Thank you. Sucks. I was already in bed and I brushed my teeth. So my aunt dropped this off for me. So, when I saw today's lunch, I kind of almost threw up. And like, not in a bad way, but because I'm still digesting my breakfast and it was a lot. This entire bento box. And I ordered dessert, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Those are the dishes, and then underneath. Oh, noodles. The box is so pretty. The colors, I love it. Okay, this is my first time opening it too, so. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this purple tart. Oh my god. I don't even know what that is, but that looks so good.
I will email you when I have something for you to do.
I had to take a couple minutes of break, but I'm here to try the dessert. Ooh!
Howdy. What do you need?
That is really good. The milk. Why is Taiwan milk better than American milk? What's next? I don't even want to eat it. It's too cute. Ooh, I can't put it back. This one was so good. This one was a strawberry. I think it's white chocolate, some sort of mousse. And it was so good. Mm. Time to break out the yoga mat. Hi! Oh my god. My aunt brought me an entire bag of things. I don't even know what's in it yet. Product of Spain. Oh, potato chips. It looks like high quality potato chips. Miramar Mian from Regent. Thank you. Oh, and my aunt's skincare brand. I love her skincare brand. You guys should check it out. This is my aunt's brand. It's called Kinza. She designs everything from the packaging to all the ingredients inside. There's gold flakes in here. Real gold flakes. It's supposed to be really good for your skin, which I think it is because I use this all the time. This one I haven't used before. It's their whitening serum, but I hear it's really good. But this one's my favorite. It's basically, I use it as a serum. This table isn't big enough. There's snacks, noodles, fried chicken, skincare stuff. Ooh, skincare. Oh my god, placenta. Calamari, sweet potato fries, chicken wings. Oh, it's so good. Fried chicken. I feel so stupid. My next door neighbor, I don't know if she can hear me. She's probably like, what the fuck?
뭐예요? 아까 그 눈 감으면 귀신 보인다는 거 그것도 장난이.
Today's lunch, Thai-styled seafood noodles. Today's lunch is so good. The sauce is so good. So once a week they do special meals, and today for this week it's 4 ounce of Wagyu. Yay!
24/7 hours.
Ooh, this looks so trippy. Day 7 of quarantine. Almost done. Halfway through.
You know you make me smile. You know you make me smile. Oh yeah. You know you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alive.